Hey guys, Mr. Oliver here with how to write a hypothesis in 3 easy steps. Let's get through this. The hypothesis, as you know, is some of the same information as your research question, right? So if you already have a good research question, then you can simply adapt it, change it into a hypothesis, and vice versa. Anyway, your hypothesis, the standard phrasing is, if change to independent variable, then how the dependent variable changes, because explanation. I will add, if change to independent variable show the direction of change, then how the dependent variable changes show the direction of change, because explanation. So step 1, draft your hypothesis as a statement that identifies a specific relationship between the variables. If blank, then blank, because. If independent variable change one direction, then dependent variable change another direction, because explanation. If change independent variable, simple. If change IV, up, down, or same, then change in dV, up, down, or same. And remember, the independent variable is the thing that you, as a scientist, are changing to see what effects it has. For example, the rat gets tobacco smoke or not, the patient gets the new drug treatment or not, you add fertilizer to the soil or not. And the dependent variable is the thing that changes as a result of the change to the independent variable, right? So the rat got cancer or didn't. The patient was cured or not. The eco-column plants grew more or not as a result of your independent variable. Common terms to make your prediction include increase, decrease, and stay the same. Real basic. If I increase the temperature on the stove, then the time it takes to boil the water will decrease because the increase in temperature will transfer heat energy to water more quickly. In this example, independent variable is temperature, dependent variable is time. Step 2, self, peer review. Ask yourself, talk with your partner. Wait, is there an independent variable? Is there a dependent variable? Does it indicate changes to the independent variable? Does it indicate changes to the dependent variable? And is it written as an if, then, because statement? If it's not polished, probably needs a little work. Go back, revise it. And when you do, be sure to include how you plan on measuring the independent variable and dependent variable, and what units you will use. So example of the research question will be, what will be the effect on the radish plant growth in the eco-column if we add more carbon dioxide gas to the atmosphere? Okay, the hypothesis there would be if we add more carbon dioxide gas, measured in CO2 parts per million, to the eco-column atmosphere, then the radish plants will grow taller, stem length measured in centimeters, than plants in a lower CO2 atmosphere because carbon dioxide is a critical limiting factor for plant photosynthesis and growth. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you need help.